So guys, let's start with the Bitcoin. What kind of pattern Bitcoin is making, and guys will see the Bitcoin dominance and the chart of the altcoins and the total market cap. And guys, we will learn today how to create a paper wallet of Bitcoin, how we can store our Bitcoin safely on paper wallet. So I will be teaching that also. So just be online and be I will be telling the website step by step. All the steps will be explained. If you miss if you miss any steps, then you can see the video on the YouTube. It will be uploaded after the voice chat. So if you miss anything, then you can see that. So guys, let's start with the Bitcoin first. What kind of pattern Bitcoin is making? If we see today, right now the Bitcoin is moving around at 33,300, and it was making a kind of head and shoulder pattern in 30-minute time frame. I have given that pattern in the morning only at 12 p.m. I have given the chart of the head and shoulder pattern, and guys, according to that, we have breakdown from the neckline, that is approximately around at 34,100. We have breakdown, and if we see the height of that triangle, the head of if we see the height of the head, that is the head and shoulder pattern. If we see the height, that the height of head, it is approximately 7%, and if we calculate from the neckline, the 7% is going towards 31,600 area, 31,600 or 31,800. It is moving at that area, and Bitcoin can touch at that area because $31,000, 31,700 is a strong, again a strong support. 31,000 or 31,700, 800, this level is very strong. From that area we have seen a bounce in the Bitcoin only. If we see from the past, on 8 June we have seen a bounce from $31,000, and if we see from 23rd May, we have seen a bounce from exactly from $31,000 only. And if we see on 26 and 26 June, we have seen again bounce from $31,000. Yes, we have gone towards $30,000, but we have seen a consolidation around at $31,000, and after that we have pumped. But now guys, if we see on the 30-minute chart, it is showing the head and shoulder pattern. And guys, if we see clearly also, the lines have the 2 MA lines, that is 50-day moving average, and the 200 MA lines have crossed each other, that it is showing some bearish movement. And the bearish movement and the bearish pattern has already told in the previous in the Telegram only, that it is making a head and shoulder, and according to that 7% we can see we have seen crossover in the 30-minute chart. Let me show you what is the crossover of these lines. Let me show you. I have taken the screenshot. Let us paste on the main Telegram channel. You can see the crossover of the Bitcoin. And guys, if we see this pattern, it is showing that we can go to $31,000. But guys, now we need to take if anyone is asking that can we take short position, so guys, now the short position can be taken from $34,000, because if we see Bitcoin can slowly the next few hours, we can see a candle that can retest this area, that is towards the neckline. And from the neckline we can see again a dump in the downward direction. If we see, the RSI is also around at 27 at the oversold area, at that suggests that we can see a bounce. So smaller bounce we can see, that is towards $34,000. But it can touch on the previous neckline only, that is the previous support line, 34,000 around $34,100 we can see the Bitcoin, and from there we can see a dump in the Bitcoin. So a smaller, so now we have to don't short now, we will wait for the short entry. And guys, after that the take profit would be around at 32,000 to 31,800 will be the take profit, where you can use your 3x to 5x leverage, don't use more than that. And guys, if we see in the 4-hour time frame, it is showing that the Bitcoin can again move. Actually the Bitcoin has breakout from the triangle we have seen previously. I have told many times that Bitcoin has shown the breakout, but guys, I have told that yesterday only in the voice chat we have talked that the Bitcoin is retesting that triangle. And guys, if the Bitcoin is moving below $34,000, that it means that the Bitcoin is moving inside that triangle. And guys, you can see right now the Bitcoin is moving inside this triangle, so all the things are working according to our analysis. The Bitcoin is moving same according to our analysis that we were talking about past week, that the Bitcoin is moving exactly the same. See this, guys, the Bitcoin is moving inside it is now moving inside the triangle. And all the coins that have shown breakout, they are that all the coins all the altcoins that were showing the breakout from the triangle, they are now again inside the triangle. All the altcoins in the USDT pair were making same USDT pair, but now the all the altcoins is making same pattern, USDT pair pattern. So guys, now again we can see a dump towards that level, that is towards the support area of the triangle, towards $30,000 also. But I have told according to the to the head and shoulder pattern only, that it will be showing 31,700, and the triangle support is showing $30,000. So 31,700 and $30,000 will be the next support area for the Bitcoin. We can see a bounce, but we will be closing our position at 31,800. We will be closing all our position of the short. And guys, if you ask for the future Bitcoin can future position, if you ask what we can see the Bitcoin, what conditions we can see of the Bitcoin in the future, the Bitcoin is if the Bitcoin is keep on we have seen, guys, actually for the past from the past months, we have seen the Bitcoin was trying to touch the triangle support many times. The Bitcoin has tried the support area, but now if this third, it will be a fourth time this support will be touched. And guys, if the many times we have seen in the triangle, many times if the pattern if any asset moves towards the support area again and again, then that support becomes weaker, and sooner or later that support will be breakdown. And guys, this can be done this can be seen in the Bitcoin also. $30,000 again, if we are breaking this support level, that is $30,000, if we are breaking down, then guys, we can see again a Bitcoin in critical conditions. We can see a Bitcoin more downwards toward $24,000 will be the first target for the Bitcoin, and the next target would be around at $22,000, and the next would be around at 19,700. That was the previous all-time high. And guys, if I actually many times I have told in the previous chart also that the Bitcoin in the daily time frame, it is showing the head and shoulder pattern, long head and shoulder pattern. And guys, according to that, it can work. If we see in the daily time frame, the RSI is moving in the downward channel, and guys, it is rejecting from the 48 level, and soon we can see again downwards toward 24 level or 29 level. That is suggesting that we can see a more downward movement in the Bitcoin. But guys, until and unless we are not breaking out from this pattern, this channel in the RSI, until and unless we cannot see the Bitcoin bumping, I think we can see bounce from here. Let me show you how we can see a bounce from 18 level, that is at Vinay bhai, just check this chart pattern, that after touching this support area, that is in the RSI level at 18 level, that this is suggesting that huge crash can come, and at 18 level we can get our dip in the Bitcoin. And if we are getting the dip, this will be a good dip and can be a final dip also. In the daily time frame it is suggesting. If I let me show you what kind of pattern it can work in the RSI is also showing that we can see a bounce, guys, after a strong dip in the RSI. Let me show you how this pattern can work in the RSI. Just focus now on the RSI, how this chart is working, guys. Just see how channel it is showing, how the channel is looking, guys. Just focus on this 1 second. RSI pattern. See, guys, this is the pattern we can see in the RSI, that we can see towards 18 level. 18 level is a very critical level for the Bitcoin that can reach, and it is suggesting that dip is coming for the Bitcoin, and from there we can see a bounce also in the Bitcoin. So 24 or $22,000 it can touch. And guys, if you see in the crossover that we have seen, the death cross has actually done. We were talking about, everyone was shouting that the death cross is very dangerous. So you can see after the death cross, I guess after the 19 June, we have seen a pump in the RSI, in the asset, that is Bitcoin. I have told that it is not compulsory that after death cross only we are seeing the dump. Many times, guys, I have told analysis and given on the update also on the voice chat and the YouTube, that after the death cross, we at the point of death cross, we see the pump. And actually, guys, we have seen a pump. All the things are according to my analysis, guys. All the things are going according to our analysis that we have seen. So death cross has been, we have seen pump, we have seen a fake out, we have seen. And again, now we can see the at the 30 level, $30,000, we can see the strong support for the Bitcoin. And if this support is break, then we can see the next dip in the Bitcoin. So just, guys, now focus on grabbing the Bitcoin and the altcoins at the 30 level and in the spot area. So many were asking that when to buy altcoins. So altcoins can be bought at $30,000, guys. $30,000 will be a good area to grab the altcoin. Some altcoins only 5 to 6% you can buy. If the Bitcoin is dumping more, then you can do your DCA. So we have seen, as we can see that then that Bitcoin has shown 2 times fake out. When the Bitcoin has actually on the 15th June it has shown the fake out, and again on the 30th June it has shown fake out. So now, guys, let us wait where can Bitcoin see. If we see in the weekly time frame, it is showing bearish conditions, that bounce, that is the 50-day MA line. It is showing that the support for the Bitcoin, and showing that $30,000 we can see a bounce, a small bounce. But if it is not working good, then we can say dip. If we see in the weekly time in the monthly time frame, as today only at the 5:30, the monthly candle has been closed today only at the in the morning 5:30 in the IST timing, that it has we have seen the candle close, and the guys, the candle close is looking as a spinning candle, a kind of spinning candle. And guys, the spinning candle is very dangerous. We can see the next bearish also, as I have seen, as I have already told in the April month, that we have seen a spinning candle. If I show you on my Twitter handle, that I have pinned the message, if you see on the profile, that I have already told on the 6th June that we have seen the Bitcoin spinning candle, and on the Ethereum we have seen the spinning candle. You can check out that what is the spinning candle. If you want to, you just search on the internet what is the spinning candles. You can search on the my Twitter handle. Real Crypto Stage is my username of the Twitter handle. Sorry, the Twitter handle is the Real Crypto Stage. You can go there and check the pin message. Let me again show you the tweet when I have given. See this. I have already told that this spinning candle about on the 6th June, and guys, it is working according to that only. The next candle, it is making a downward move, and it is showing that the next move can be towards $19,000 also, guys. If we see in the monthly time frame, let me show you how these candles are looking, guys. See guys, this is very bearish in the monthly time frame. See guys, this is the monthly, and the strong support is 19,700 will be the strongest support. Previously all-time high that we have seen in the Bitcoin, that can be the strong support for the Bitcoin. So I am waiting for that area to grab some Bitcoins, real Bitcoins at that area. And guys, all the things are working according to our analysis. Whether it was on the April month, we have given the warning. If we see whether it was of staking platform that we have seen in the September month, when I was start saying that these DeFi tokens are not good for you in the September 2020. You can scroll at that time, that when I've given the staking is not good, and I have told that these are just a kind of scams. If you are going towards if you are running behind towards 17% APR, just imagine if these altcoins dumped 100 to 200%, what actually you get. So these are just giving you false profit. Actually, if the any asset is dumping, then you are losing on that price. So what's the point to stake that coins? So guys, if we see on the monthly time frame in the Bitcoin, it is showing that the RSI is at the 58 level, and we can see more downward, as we have seen in the 2017 18 month 2018. From 2017 to 18, we have seen a bear market. So it can be possible we can see a long bearish market till the October month. We can see a bearish movement in the Bitcoin. If we see guys, Bitcoin dominance is suggesting that we can go to 50 level. If we see the monthly time frame, it is telling us that we can go to 50 level, and from that area we can see a bounce. And if we see in the 4-hour time frame, it is showing it has actually dumped, but RSI is also as oversold. So I think we can see a pump in the RSI, in the Bitcoin dominance. So if Bitcoin dominance is pumping, then altcoins will be dumping. So just be aware and don't grab all the altcoins right now. The time will be coming, the soon dip will be coming. We have actually 2 days ago we have earned a good amount of altcoins, as I have told some coins, guys. So just wait, have patience. We will be getting altcoins soon. I will be telling all the coins that we can grab, so again we can get a profit. Hope everyone have earned a profit approximately 100 to 90 to 100% from the coins that I have told on the voice chat, and we have booked our profit and get exited by taking our profit. So hope everyone has got the profit. How many participants are there right now? 56. Nice. Now guys, let's see the total market cap. What is the total market is showing us? After that we will see the paper wallet, how to create that. In the total market cap, it is showing the same pattern, and we can reach around at 1.23 trillion dollars again at that area only. If we see the dump, it is approximately 8 to 9% we can see a dump. And if we see in the RSI level also, the pattern has breakdown. Let me show you what is the how the pattern has breaked. The channel has already breakdown. 1 second, just keep on checking the RSI levels. RSI pattern, it has breakdown, and we can see more downward.